the Ox Pro Series plant trailer, so you're serious about your machines, equipment and your business. I'm here today to run you through the features and benefits that you will experience when you purchase an Ox Pro Series plant trailer. Starting with the drawbar, we have a 5mm 350 grade, fully FEA tested and engineered C-section chassis. So when we say this is a one-piece construction, from the tow ball to the tail lights, we mean it. With an ATM of 3.5 tonne right up to 4.5 tonne, a tear weight of 940 kilos and a payload of just over 3.5 tonne, this trailer is built for business. For your peace of mind and ultimate durability, the Ox Pro Series plant trailer boasts 4.5 tonne rated suspension, 4.5 tonne rated brakes and axles, and 4.5 tonne rated wheels and tyres. Featuring a 16-inch 5-stud Land Cruiser steel wheel on a light truck tyre, coupled with a 2-tonne bearing and a 12-inch electric brake on a 65mm square axle, this is the ultimate combination, supported by a 4.5 tonne rated Rock-A-Roller leaf spring system, with multiple tie-down locations ranging from bolt-in tie-down points through to welded-in in-floor chain slots through to chain lashing points. This plant trailer provides you with the ultimate number of locations and positions for tying your machine and attachments down. Moving on to the deck, we feature a 3mm welded on steel decking floor plate, providing unparalleled strength and durability so that you've got peace of mind when you're loading a piece of equipment or machinery onto this trailer, that this is going to stand the test of time and not give way under heavy loads. The Pro Series plant trailer features a deck space area of 3.4 by 1.8. However, this can be maximised to a mammoth 3.8 by 1.93 total deck space sizing that offers unmatched and unparalleled space and functionality for everyday loads. At the rear, the Ox Pro Series plant trailer comes standard with the beaver tail, which improves loading and departure angles. Coupled to that is our lightweight 3.5 tonne rated aluminium ramp and receiver post, featuring a fully welded 5mm heavy duty tail light channel. The Pro Series plant trailer is the ultimate choice if you're looking for durability, versatility, strength and reliability.